In 2024 and 2025, New Jersey had a streak of drones going across their skies, and in tonight's video, we're going to look at three of the strangest ones that were caught on camera.
What in the world is going on?
Jersey Ocean Township. Here we go, baby. Look at this thing. I don't know what it's doing.
All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. So tonight's video, we're going to be looking at three of the most interesting videos from the New Jersey drone wave. You guys know that happened. I think it started around November 2024, and it ended somewhere in the first couple of months of January. And we never got, in my opinion, any closure on any of this. And what you're seeing here is a lot of photos that were taken during that time. I went ahead, took some of these photos, and I enhanced it just a little bit so you guys can kind of see what's going on with a lot of these images that were taken. Some of them were photos and some of them were videos. But tonight I'm going to show you some of the most weirdest ones, that are strangest ones, I should probably say, of these UFOs, or we can actually, in my opinion, call these UAPs, because these were unidentified aerial phenomena, in my opinion. But very interesting that none of this stuff was actually identified. In my opinion, we never got closure on any of this. So if you guys know about any of the ones I'm showing here, let me know in the comments. And if you want me to do a whole video and tackle this, let me know, because I can pull up all the information, all the photos and videos I have on it to show to you guys. Some of them may be a little blurry and distorted, but it would be good to kind of in 2026, the time of this video, to re-tackle this. Now this one looks kind of like a helicopter or a drone in my opinion, but I've never seen one like this, and we don't know the specs and stuff of the height and all that of it. But this does kind of give you an idea of what a lot of people were seeing out there at that time. And like I said, we never got any closure or anything on it. So let's go ahead and let's jump into some of these videos and see what we got. All right, here's going to be the first one I'm going to show. Now, this one does not look like Starlink, in my opinion. Normally, Starlink is a little bit closer and a little bit more clustered, and this was about 10 to 12 objects that was reported when this was filmed. And of course, you guys see that they're kind of flying parallel to one another. Starlink normally flies just kind of in a straight line, kind of like maybe I'd say a snake or something up in the air, and these are flying a lot different. So let me know in the comments if you heard anything about this. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this one because there was no audio or anything to it, but we can see the objects flying, and we'd actually see them going behind that telephone wire pole right there. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about this, and let's go ahead and jump into the real strangest ones. Now this next one's pretty short, but I want you guys to pay close attention to the lights inside of the craft and kind of how it seems like it fades in and out. It's a very short one, but it's more or less kind of compelling.
What in the world is going on?
Now, what I noticed about this is not just the shape of them. Of course, there's two of them, and then the one behind it somehow either fades away or they weren't able to get it captured complete in the video. But look how it's got some kind of light or something in the center of it. That could have been something that was projecting the whole shape of this. I don't know. But looking at this a little bit closer, you guys here, slowing it down a little bit. I don't know if this was apparently trying to be a cloak device or something, but you guys see that there? Very interesting. I mean, of course, you guys see those telephone wires there. So, of course, you know it's not something that's someone went in and CGI or anything like that. But let me know what you think about this. That light that's in the center of this is very interesting. So if you found anything about this or anything about this, let me know in the comments. And let's go ahead and get over to the third one. All right, y'all, this is going to be the third one. Now, because of YouTube and the way they do things on here with copyright claims and all that, I have to actually talk through this. The original video is a lot longer than what I'm showing you here. But basically, a couple guys were driving down the street in New Jersey. I don't know the exact location, and they filmed this, what you're seeing here. Like I said, there's a lot more to the video, so I'll pin something either in the top of the comments or I'll put some in the description to maybe a YouTube short there so you guys can see it. But look at this thing. You guys are seeing there is something caught up in the tree, and these people are talking about, they said it's been there for a minute, and he stopped filming right when the police officer, he said the cops showed up. So as he's filming this, he's talking about, he's saying, look at that. He says, shaking, it's glowing. What is it doing? Look like it's trying to move out. There was a lot more that he was stating as he was filming this, but this was probably one of the best ones, I think, from the whole New Jersey drone videos and photos that were captured. So if you guys want me to look a little bit more on this, I can't find the guy who did, I don't know his name or anything like that. Let me know in the comments, because this was probably one of the best ones. I tried to enhance it a little bit, but I can't do too much without taking away from, you know, the original quality of the video. So let me know what you think about some kind of laughing, because I've had to go in and upload this a couple of times, because when you load it, sometimes YouTube lets you know, hey, you can't put this out. But at this timestamp going forward, hopefully everything is fine. So put your comments down below. If you know anything about this, let me know. And of course, I'll try to backtrack, and I'll probably do a YouTube short or something like that on it. But anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate all my subscribers out there. And I also appreciate my Patreons and stuff as well. They do help me out on this channel. They donate every month to the channel, and I do appreciate it. There'll be information below in the description if you guys want to contribute to that as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Appreciate you watching.